What is nervous planning? In an era defined by unpredictability and fast changes, a small variation in your demand can completely disrupt your production plan, and that is what is known as nervous planning. Nervous planning is a common phenomenon on traditional MRP systems where a small change in a customer order, forecast, or delivery date triggers significant changes throughout the supply chain. As a result, production orders are rescheduled, purchase orders are modified, and priorities constantly change. The system reacts to every variation, making planning unstable and difficult to manage. But now, let's leave the theory and see how this happens in real practice. Imagine that situation. A customer increases an order from 50 units to 60 units. A relatively small change, no? However, the distributor interprets that increase as a growing trend and places a larger replenishment order. And that's when the domino effect begins. The manufacturer reacts by increasing production, and suppliers receive even larger purchase orders to secure materials. As the signal moves upstream, the impact becomes larger. And this is known as Bullwhip Effect. Just like a whip, a small movement at one end creates a much bigger movement at the other. In many cases, nervous planning is one of the main causes of that amplification. What started as a small demand change can quickly lead into excess inventory, stock shortage, expediting cost, and constantly replanning. In conclusion, nervous planning occurs when supply chain decisions overreact to small variations in demand. The result is instability, reduced visibility, and lower operational efficiency. And this is one of the main reasons why many manufacturers are exploring planning approaches to reduce variability and improve flow. One example is demand-driven MRP, which helps organizations to absorb variability instead of constantly reacting to it. The goal is simple: create a more stable, reliable, and efficient supply chain. See you in the next video.